going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. As you can see, we got the M4 parked up looking real good. The blue is popping. The car is mostly clean. We are over here for the supercars. We have quite the lineup. We've got a twin turbo Huracan right here, R7 full exhaust. We've got GT3s, nice G80s over here as well. This one's a drop top, the sedan right there in green. Look at this, Laguna Seca blue, E92 M3. Wow, listen to that R7 just idling. Valvetronic exhaust, sounds really good. But man, look at the GT3 RS, all black, yellow accents as well, black wheels. Dude, this might be one of my favorite cars here. You never see these cars in the all black spec. You see the fenders carbon poking out as well. Laguna Seca blue on the E92 M3 is a purple Huracan Technica GT3. Man, look at the back of this RS, R1 Motorsport, big wing on it, Corvettes. And we're having a driver's meeting over here as we speak. So,
but once we break here, we're gonna have.
Wow, listen to that. We've got quite the lineup in front of us. Before we continue on with today's video, we get to thank the sponsor, which is Simply Carbon Fiber. If you guys have been following us for the past few years, you'll know we've been working with Simply Carbon Fiber for quite some time now. And they specialize in making real and genuine carbon fiber accessories like this beautiful gloss carbon fiber money clip, which is a nice, lightweight, minimalistic way of storing your cards, your ID, and even some cash on the back. What I love about Simply Carbon Fiber is you can get their accessories in different finishes like matte carbon fiber, gloss carbon fiber, or even forged carbon fiber. And they don't just have money clips, they've got carbon fiber phone cases, phone mounts, even AirPod cases, and more. So if you guys are interested, use the links in the description or use the code BF10 at simplycarbonfiber.com for 10% off. And with less being said, let's continue on with today's video and get on with today's POV drive. So as you guys can see, we are back on the road. These cars sound absolutely amazing and look even better. We've seen this car on the channel a few times, but we'll get a chance to park up because we're going on a nice canyon drive with all these cars. And then we're gonna go to a nice scenic spot, line them up, park them up, take some cool photos, and then kind of go from there. But that'll give us a good chance to check out some of these cars up close in person and kind of see what kind of modifications are done. Some of them are stock, but man, you'll be surprised. A lot of these cars are actually modified. Wow, what a sight. The E92 M3 sounds incredible. Just look at the views out here as well. You got the mountains, the cars, the sounds, the smells as well. It's super green out here. It's been raining a lot. It's amazing. Yeah, these cars sound so good, guys. It's a great feeling being behind cars like these. A GT3, a Huracan, a couple RSs in the front, hitting some of these nice canyon roads. You just got to be careful though, because these cars throw up a lot of rocks because they're running real sticky tires. Unbelievable. This is a very nice road as well. Sounds so good. Just so many nice cars, M cars. You got the one Tesla behind us, but that's the boy Chris. He's got an F80 M3. It's nice to be at the front of the pack though. Oh my God. Oh, it rocks. No, I hate that sound. Good thing is we're getting a new front bumper here soon. Actually, next week. We've got a lot of things happening to this car. Unfortunately, you know, the bumper's been delayed, fender's been delayed, but we got an email that the bumper should be here within the next week and a half or so. Then we got to go ahead and get it painted. We got to also do something else to the bumper and fenders, which you guys will see here shortly. But a lot of changes coming to this car soon. I'm enjoying it how it is now. Drives super well, especially with the new lowering springs that we've installed from Eibach. If you guys haven't seen this car before, we've got the full titanium catback exhaust from Vile Master, running downpipes as well. We've got this nice Carbontastic steering wheel, and then we also have the yellow DRLs in the front headlights from West Coast Euro. So this car is really starting to come together slowly but surely. Oh, we got a fire truck. It's probably a cool sight for the drivers. All these cars lined up. Oh no, my car is about to get dirty, yo. It's like a whole river. Wow, Lambo going through a river, guys. Not gonna see that every day. Wow, this is a beautiful road. This is a great car for it too. Wow, the turbos, listen to that. This Huracan sounds amazing in front of us. Turn in on these cars, man. Wow, look at this, incredible. You know, I think it's the combination of these carbon fiber bucket seats that we have in this car, the Alcantara steering wheel, the lowering springs from Eibach, tires, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. Wow. Look at the interior of this car. This is what I was talking about. These carbon bucket seats with the Alcantara on the steering wheel. We've got the suspension on the car now, 6-speed manual, the Michelin tires as well. It's really come together to make a nice setup on this car. We obviously have a lot more stuff to do with this, but it's great to see this parked up next to everybody else. Very special cars here today. California's nice, blue color to it, peanut butter interior. This Huracan Technica though, absolutely stunning in purple. Appears to be bone stock. It's got like this bronze hint on the wheels. If you look close, it's got some color to it. Front end of these cars look really good. Wow, super aggressive. This, I think, was one of the last editions of the Huracan. I think they're gonna replace this car soon too, so it's nice to see it out here. But this right here, man, this car really got my eye today. This RS, all black. It's crazy. You see how much carbon bits there are on the rear bumper down here. You see on the full wing carbon fiber on the deck lid. So the carbon actually pops on this spec. I feel like if you black everything out and then add some carbon, it will pop out a lot. So you start to notice every single piece of carbon fiber. I mean, just look at the front bumper as well. This whole piece down here swings around to the front lip, all carbon fiber. These wheels, got 2 tires on it. But even the air intakes on this too, full carbon fiber. So this is gotta be my favorite car here, but it's tough because we have Marlin's twin turbo Huracan. This thing shoots a lot of flames. We've actually had this car on the channel a few times in the past, so if you guys haven't seen this car before, he's done a twin turbo Huracan kit from Sheepy Race, and then on top of that he's added little carbon bits here and there, but it kind of looks sleeper-ish until you notice this center exit exhaust. It's got 3 exhaust tips. I believe it's full titanium as well, so sounds super good. We were riding behind this one on the way here. He's got HRE wheels, super cool interior as well. I mean, Lamborghini, man, you can't go wrong in this department. The front looks really good as well. This is actually nice too. This is a little Cayman. I like the color on it, the wheels, interior, top down. It's got to be a vibe. It's manual as well, driver focused. So I like this. This is the GT3 we saw. It's got a carbon hood. At first, I was like, oh, maybe it's a 992 GT3 RS, but no, it's actually just you can see right there, GT3 on the seats, paddles. Oh yeah, it's definitely a GT3. So they added some RS bits on the car. This wing, super aggressive. That's huge. What do you guys think about putting a wing on the M4? Something to keep it more planted to the ground and canyon drives like this. But wow, just look at the sight. It's crazy. All these cars got. I mean, I don't know how you really direct traffic at this point. It kind of sucks to be just hiking and then you come back down to your car and you're trying to leave and this is what you get. But you know, we can't complain here. This is really what we like here on this channel, seeing these cars together like this. But this is subtle but nice. I believe this is one of the camera cars, I'm not sure, but this is a AMG truck, 63 proper motor, GLE 63S. Actually, this is the truck that is one of the most popular videos on the channel because we straight piped. We just put an exhaust on this thing. These things sound really good once you start to open them up. And we got some beautiful dogs here. Say what's up, guys. Hey, how you doing? This gives you a nice vibe of what we got going on here. The scenery, look at all the mountains. This beautiful twisty road that wraps around all these mountains. It's nice and green. See the guys up there getting some shots. Ooh, we got some more cars pulling up. STO. Wow, in the E92 M3. Which one are you taking? GT4 as well?
Hey, look at,
damn, look at the color on that. That's crazy. Okay, it might, I don't know. Now this might be my new favorite car here. It's tough. Between this, that black RS, I don't know, man. Wow, the yellow lip too, the accents. Whatever color this is, I've never seen it before. You see Marlon doing the thing. He's doing a good job directing traffic, man. Like I said, a little chaos. E92 M3 is nice as well, though. And you got that GT4 over there peeking, but dude, this thing right here, absolutely stunning. I like how the paint is frozen. Even the carbon lip is frozen, but they left the little yellow bits gloss, so it's a nice little. Yeah, we love the GT4s, man. You can also get these cars in a manual transmission as well, so that's how I would prefer. I don't know how this one came. We're gonna have to check it out. You can also check out some of the cars in the back. It's this nice M4 with some mods on it. Red interior. Always love Isle of Man green on the G80s as well. This one's got the white buckets just like my car. And then we got R7, we got some Supras, some Vets. But if we go ahead and come over here, we get a nice view. We can even see some of the mountains out here are snow-capped because it's been raining so much in the distance. So, I mean, this is nice, man. This canyon road is beautiful. You can see we kind of went up this road down here, wrapped around. So now we're gonna go ahead and just chill here for a bit. We're gonna hop back on the road, get some more driving in, and just have some fun on this nice Saturday. Everybody's starting to head out. We're doing the same, but we're getting on the road. So what was once a supercar drive turned into 3 M's versus a Huracan. don't know if you can see in my rearview mirror, but we have 2 G80s behind us, and we've got the twin turbo Huracan in front of us. So that's 3 G80s versus 1 Huracan, but it is twin turbo. It's not just any Huracan, it is a twin turbocharged Sheepy Race Huracan. So dude, the M4 is sounding so good. I absolutely love this car. I don't know, I gotta say it in every video. It is so good to drive this thing. So we're just cruising right now, and then we're gonna get some rollers on the road. So it'd be nice to get some free rollers out the M4 with these cars as well. So we're gonna hit the highway, get some nice open lanes, take some cool shots. That's crazy. The Huracan right here. This is a vibe. We got one guy shooting my car and one guy shooting his. That's effective. Then we got the G80 M3 right here as well. Let's go. Nice combo. Green, blue, white. Coming up behind us as well.